Hi everyone, this is Coach Julio. I hope you are well. So I wanted to make a quick video regarding my feelings today waking up as a person of color in an environment that really feels dangerous and threatening. The words I'm going to use, feels. And why does it feel like that? Is because of the rhetoric that's being elevated in our country. I'm very nervous right now just doing this video, and I'm not going to attribute that to anger. It's just sadness and fear. And what do I mean by that? So the fear part is that certain groups now are going to feel they have permission with no accountability to say and do certain things to people of color. To try to dehumanize, say it with me, to dehumanize people of color. It doesn't matter if they're 80-year-olds working at Walmart. It doesn't matter if you're a 40-year-old in the fitness industry. We're all the same. Just lump us up as just inferior people. And I am going to say this, we're not inferior, and I'm going to speak for myself. I did wake up feeling hopeless, but I'm not helpless, and you are neither. So I'm going to use my sphere of influence to try to share with you my experience and my feelings that are real. I do feel sad because we are currently in this state, but I do have hope that we will overcome it. But we need your help. You can no longer sit on the bench. You can no longer just watch videos like me and not participate. What does participate mean? Just like it. Just post something saying you condemn it. Screw this whole thing about like scatism, meaning like you're just posting something and not doing anything in the community. Every effort counts. Speak to your family. If you know individuals who are racist, then let them be, because this is what I'm going to say. Racism can be unlearned. Lead by example. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to go on with my day. I will continue to post motivational videos and things to better our community. But as of right now, I need your help. I need something to uplift me too. I need to see some love from the community I love too. That's about it. Thank you.